Hello everyone, my name is Hitansper and here are my teammates Bhavya, Spagni and Nishan from the school Kendriya Vidyalaya Secretariat Rajapura. We have made this project Swayam in the program Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 and the name of our project is Swayam. So this is the omnidirectional microwave turbine used in urban and rural areas both.
For education purposes, we have made a smaller version of Swayam Bundle, the hands-on innovation kit for adult lab, ADL, adult degree lab and schools. Students can also assemble turbines, select sensors, and code the AI selectors, learning new concepts like physics, engineering, iron, and artificial intelligence in single acronym. This makes renewable learn interactive, practical, and exciting for new learners. And for scalability and future vision, our team envisions expanding of SWAM into a hybrid with solar energy for 24 hours power generation by using AI-based components and 3D printed components that can be mass-be produced at low cost scales. And our team has also planned to launch a SWAM mobile app for real-time monitoring and spreading community awareness.
What makes this program more smart this is its AI smart controller, which is built with the help of Raspberry Pi and Arduino Uno. It constantly checks upon the voltage, wind speed, and the battery usage of the turbine system, and it also shuts down the turbine system at times of high wind speed and storms for safety. The system sends data to the IoT dashboard where the AI algorithms perform predictive analysis on forecasting the performance and maintenance needs. In future versions, we are planning to train the AI to predict the wind availability and optimize power output in the real times. So the scientific principle I have used in this project are first, the principle of conservation energy. Here we have used principle of conservation energy. Secondly, we have used electromagnetic induction here. Third, use continuity theorem here means A1 is equal to A2 V2 when air is on the when we place this model in the rooftop, when the air is opposite to the direction, this air concentrator will help to move the direction towards the air direction. So it helps the two air concentrators to move the turbines opposite to each other, which makes the principle of relative rotational dynamics. Thirdly, we have used the Bernoulli's principle under the inside the dynamo, and we have used also here the hanging dynamo structure. Materials used in this project are first foldable microwave turbine setup, which is compatible and easy to carry. Thirdly, we have used here two number of custom spoons means air concentrator. Thirdly, hanging armature coil, which is and a radial magnetic curvature. Thirdly, we have used specially designed water lifting machine. Thirdly, we have fourthly, we have wind tail and ball valley arrangement. Yeah, in here and there. So we have second multimeter here to measure the current. So working of this exhibit looks like I took optimum care to make this model and it could work in low cutoff speed, and it has also helps to change the direction on wind turbine always facing to the direction of wind. So the application of this model are first to lift the water from the land, and thirdly we have used a LED lamp sprinkler system to charge them out. And innovation in this project are firstly, we have made micro and foldable windmill here. Thirdly, we have used wind concentrator arrangement here and the ball bearing arrangement here. Fourthly, we have dual specially designed turbines to move opposite to each other to make relative rotational dynamics. Fourthly, we have hanging armature coil and weight lift weights and water lifting arrangement at the bottom of the project. So this is all about the project. And thank you.